In 2012, NCEA was changed to involve a new part to the curriculum involving spectroscopy. Most of the equipment that goes along with that is relatively expensive and hard to get your hands on and run. Luckily, the university uses it day to day. So we opened our doors during our semester break for the high school kids to come in and experience hands-on using the machinery as well as interpreting the data that they generated.
Schools have a stricter chemical code than the universities do, so there's some chemicals that we can't use, like what we're using today, the acetic anhydride.
So today with the students we went through a simple drug manufacture process. They got to make their samples and recrystallise them to make them pure and then test their purity using the various machinery that we have inside of our lab.
The students really enjoy it. They get a taste of what it would be like to be at university. And
we like to show that chemistry can be quite visual and exciting in that respect. It's a nice way to bring in the idea of catalysis in both aspects, and it's a fun way to involve all of the vocabulary they use from level 1 all the way through to level 3.